Hi to you all, this is Idan from One Person's Opinion. Today I have a very short clip of a bracket that I built. It's a tablet mount for my cabin. I will pause in the middle so I can talk a bit more because it's a very short clip, but you can see all the joints and the moving parts. It's made out of scrap wood, not very sophisticated, but it gets the job done. Has all the tilts and spins and all the movement that it needs. Also rotates. I made it so it can be moved and repositioned around the cabin, because now the cabin is set up this way that you are sitting on a mattress with pillows, and you can watch it on pretty much ground level. But if you want to move it higher so you can sit on chairs and watch it, maybe do your homework on the table, you can disattach it and attach it anywhere you want. That's it. It's pretty simple. It has a joint in the middle, so it will be easier to move closer, and also to store it, maybe not store, position it in the corner of the cabin when you're not using it. That's about it. If you have any questions and you want to know how to build it, you can contact me in the comments below. I'll be more than glad to assist anyone. And one last thing, for those of you who were quick to notice that there is no tablet in the footage, that's because I didn't plan on making this video. It just happened. I was there, I had my phone, and I decided to make it, so I'm sorry for that. But I think it's quite obvious how it attaches. Just leans on these two pins and is caught by the upper pin, so it won't fall forward. So thank you very much for watching and have a wonderful day.